How to install LED canopy flood barrier. Use the equipment to roll out the connected flood barrier. When in use, step on it to fix it. It takes about 90 seconds to open. In the same way, use your foot to move the connection button when folded. It takes about 90 seconds to close. Finally, use the equipment to roll up the flood barrier, which can be quickly installed for the next time. It only takes 4 minutes for one person to pave the 20 meters. This is the actual application scenario of our product, suitable for city, home flood control, river diversion, etc.